Have you ever wondered how the rich and famous manage to stay wealthy? The journey to financial success is no easy feat, and yet there are valuable lessons we can learn from the lives of those who've made it big. Today, we're diving deep into the strategies that can lead you on the path to lasting wealth. Buckle up and let's embark on this transformative journey together while we learn about 10 key strategies for wealth building, a guide to financial success. Starting with number 1, shift your money mindset. Ever heard about how Oprah Winfrey transformed her mindset to achieve immense success? She once shared her story of growing up in poverty and how she changed her perspective on money. Oprah embraced the belief that abundance is a mindset. By altering her thoughts about wealth, she attracted opportunities, and the rest is history. Emulate Oprah's positive mindset, and you'll find the courage to seek and create wealth. In your daily life, practice gratitude and affirmations. Acknowledge the abundance you have, no matter how small it may seem. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether through books, podcasts, or supportive friends. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality, so consciously choose thoughts that align with your financial goals. Number 2, diversify your income streams. Look at Kylie Jenner, the makeup mogul, and her diverse empire. Not limited to cosmetics, she ventured into fashion, skincare, and even reality television. Jenner's multiple income streams made her a powerhouse in the beauty and entertainment industry. By diversifying your revenue sources, you create financial stability. Start small, explore various avenues, and watch your income grow like Kylie's ever-expanding beauty empire. Identify your skills and hobbies that can be monetized. Start a side hustle or freelance work related to your passions. Research online platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or Upwork to offer your services. Remember, even a small additional income can make a significant impact on your overall financial health. Number 3, add value. Consider Gary Vaynerchuk, the social media entrepreneur, and his relentless focus on value. He emphasizes providing exceptional value to his audience, which led to his vast online presence and business success. By delivering value in your endeavors, whether in business or personal services, you'll build a loyal customer base, just like Gary did. Identify the needs of your target audience and find innovative ways to meet those needs. Continuous learning and improvement are key. Attend workshops, read books, and follow industry leaders to stay updated with the latest trends and knowledge. Engage with your customers, ask for feedback, and adapt your offerings based on their preferences. Okay, fellow wealth builders, please take a moment to pause this video. I'd really appreciate it if you could do me a huge favor by clicking on the like button. If you've already done so, you're absolutely awesome, and I genuinely thank you for your incredible support. Now going back with number 4, create a solid financial plan. Take a leaf from Warren Buffett's book. Despite being one of the richest men globally, Buffett is known for his frugality and disciplined financial planning. He adheres to a budget, invests wisely, and continuously assesses financial goals. Following Buffett's meticulous approach to finance can guide you toward a secure financial future. Start by creating a detailed budget outlining your income, expenses, and savings goals. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your spending habits. Set clear financial objectives, such as building an emergency fund or investing in stocks. Regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as your income and goals evolve. Number 5, live below your means. Ever heard about Frugalista, the YouTube sensation known for her money-saving tips? She advocates for living below your means and finding joy in a frugal lifestyle. By embracing frugality, you can save, invest, and grow your wealth over time. Adopting a frugal mindset, as Frugalista does, is a powerful step toward financial freedom. Evaluate your expenses and identify areas where you can cut costs. Create a monthly budget, allocate specific amounts to different spending categories, and stick to it. Look for discounts, use coupons, and shop during sales to maximize savings. Focus on needs rather than wants, and prioritize your long-term financial goals over immediate indulgences. Number 6, invest wisely. Consider Graham Stephan, the real estate guru on YouTube. He turned his passion for real estate into a lucrative career. Graham's success lies in smart investments, research, and strategic decision-making. Start by learning about investments and gradually dip your toes into opportunities that align with your interest. Just like Graham, you can grow your wealth through prudent investments. Educate yourself about various investment options, such as stocks, mutual funds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to understand your risk tolerance and investment goals. Start with a small amount and diversify your investments to spread the risk. Regularly monitor your investments and stay informed about market trends. Number 7. Pursue your passion. Think of Casey Neistat, the vlogging sensation whose passion for filmmaking led him to YouTube fame. Cassie's story teaches us that pursuing what you love can lead to immense success. Find a career aligned with your passion and you'll be more motivated to excel. Your passion can fuel your determination, making your journey to wealth enjoyable and fulfilling. Identify your passions and skills that can be turned into a viable career. Explore career paths that align with your interest, even if they require additional training or education. Network with professionals in your desired field and seek mentorship. Invest time and effort into honing your craft, whether through courses, workshops, or self-study. Number 8. Take calculated risks. Reflect on Elon Musk's ventures. He's not just the Tesla CEO. He's also delved into SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. Musk's calculated risks, based on extensive research and innovation, have paid off remarkably. While taking risks is essential, ensure they are well researched and calculated. Learn from Musk's strategic approach to risk-taking. Assess potential risks and rewards before making any significant decisions. Research thoroughly and gather data to make informed choices. Consider consulting experts or mentors who have experience in the area you're venturing into. Start with small experiments or projects to test the waters before committing significant resources. Number 9. Embrace self-employment. Look at PewDiePie, the YouTube gaming sensation who turned his hobby into a multi-million-dollar empire. His story showcases the potential of self-employment. By honing your skills and building your brand, you can create a thriving self-employed career. Invest in your talents, just like PewDiePie, and turn your passion into profit. Identify your unique skills or talents that have market demand. Develop a strong online presence through social media platforms, websites, or online portfolios. Create a brand identity that reflects your expertise and values. Offer your services or products through various online platforms and continuously promote your work to reach a wider audience. Number 10. Tax yourself. Consider Mark Cuban, the billionaire entrepreneur, and his principle of paying yourself first. He advocates for saving and investing before spending on anything else. By treating your savings like a non-negotiable expense, you ensure consistent financial growth. Adopt Mark Cuban's approach and you'll watch your wealth accumulate steadily. Automate your savings by setting up direct transfers to a separate savings account as soon as you receive your income. Treat this savings account as off-limits for regular expenses. Consider opening a high-interest savings account or investing in low-risk assets to grow your savings faster. Avoid touching these funds except for planned investments or emergencies. And there you have it, fellow wealth enthusiasts. By incorporating these invaluable lessons from trending personalities like Oprah, Kylie Jenner, Mary Forleo, Warren Buffett, Frugalista, Graham Stephan, Casey Neistat, Elon Musk, PewDiePie, and Mark Cuban, you can pave your way to enduring wealth. Remember, each step complements the other. Embrace these strategies collectively, and you'll be well on your way to financial prosperity. And as we wrap up, I want to emphasize one critical point. The journey to wealth isn't solely about amassing money, but also about adopting the right mindset, work ethic, and continually evolving strategies. The individuals we discussed today aren't just financial giants because of their bank balances, but because of the unique perspectives, dedication, and relentless pursuit of their passions. So, as you venture on this path, make sure to keep these lessons close to your heart. Stay inspired, stay hungry, and always remain curious. It's a journey, not a destination, so savor every moment of growth. If you found value in this video, please share it with someone who might benefit. Let's grow together and make our dreams a reality. Here's to building a legacy, and as always, to your success. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. Your support keeps us going. Have a fantastic day, and see you in the next video. where we explore more exciting paths to wealth.